Hey, this is AJ with HBCUElite, and today we're going to go over inequalities, basically understanding what these symbols here mean. Now, this is not very difficult if you just keep in mind that the less than and greater than sign are nothing but V's turned sideways. And the truth of the matter is, the smaller portion of the V here, once it's pointing toward the left, it means less than. And the larger portion of the V, once it's pointing toward the left, it means greater than. And obviously an equal sign means equal. And also when you have a less than sign with a line under it, that means less than or equal to, and a greater than sign with a line under it means greater than and equal to. So with that being said, the easiest way to kind of grasp this concept is to look at it in terms of a real number line. Okay, let's say we have a real number line here, and we have the variable a on one side of the line and the variable b on the other side of the line, and right there in the middle is like the halfway point. Let's just say we call that 0. Okay, now we know as you go toward the right, the number increases. As you go toward the left, the number decreases, or it goes down pretty much. So with that being said, let's give a value to this variable a here. Let's just say the variable a is equal to -5, and let's just say the variable b is equal to 5. So how would we write that as an inequality? Well, since we know that -5 is less than 5, the easiest way to write this would be a, which is a -5, is less than b. But what would happen if the b was -5 and the a was 5? So we would write it, the a would actually obviously be greater, we would write it in this fashion. Now what would happen if a was -5, or it could actually be 5 as well? So in other words, it could be less than, or it could be less than 5, or equal to 5. Writing that would look just like this: less than or equal to 5, since b is 5 and a could be equal or less than 5. Well, what would happen if actually say a was 5 or a was 10? How would we write that in relationship to the b variable? Well, we would simply write a is either greater than b, because a could be 10, or it could be equal to b. In other words, a could be 5 or a could be 10. Hey, thanks for checking out this video, and enjoy.